Your memories work like a game of telephone, and you're playing it with yourself. Every time you remember something, you're slightly changing it. So basically, your brain doesn't store memories like a video, it stores them more like a recipe. And every time you want to remember something, your brain has to cook it again. But here's where it gets weird. Each time it cooks, it adds a little something new. Think about your favorite childhood memory right now. Got it? That memory has been rebuilt dozens, maybe hundreds of times. Every time you remembered it, your brain mixed in your current mood. It added details from other memories. It even filled in gaps with stuff that probably never happened. Scientists actually tested this. They showed people videos, then asked about them later. People confidently remembered details that were never in the video. Their brains just made stuff up and called it real. And this is the strange part. The people had no idea they were wrong. They were completely sure. Your brain does this because it's trying to be helpful. It doesn't care about perfect accuracy. It cares about making sense of things quickly. So it takes shortcuts. It fills in blanks. It edits for convenience. Evolution looked at this system and said, good enough. But here's the part nobody expects. The memories you think about most, your favorites, your worst moments, those are the ones that change the most. Every time you replay them, you're editing them a little more. So that super clear memory you'd swear is perfectly accurate, that's actually the most edited version. The original is basically gone. You're not remembering what happened, you're remembering the last time you remembered it. So here's an uncomfortable question. If your memories keep changing, are you remembering your life or rewriting it?